The end of summer in the hollow. The hollow shimmered in late summer's light, its blossoms scattering the last of their petals to the breeze. Change had begun to stir, soft and quiet, as though the land itself was sighing into autumn. At the berry bushes, the sweetness of the summer lingered. The fairies, leaflings, and sometimes a hungry bird gathered what remained, each berry a memory of long, warm, sunlit days. Even the smallest leaflings are determined to help tuck summer's gifts away. Already, the flowers turn to seed, small promises for the seasons ahead. Wren and Zib carefully gather nuts, tucking each one into their baskets. As the golden days of summer draw to a close, the fairies, leaflings and creatures of Raindrop Hollow prepare for the colder months ahead. Every acorn, every seed, every berry holds a promise of warmth and nourishment for the long winter to come. There's a quiet joy in working together, knowing that even the smallest hands can help keep the hollow safe and strong through the changing seasons. By the close of summer, every basket is filled and every bundle carefully tied. Berries glisten in their woven bowls, moss rests soft within tiny caps, twigs are stacked neat and true. Everyone in Raindrop Hollow is thankful, not only for the harvest, but for all the amazing summer days they shared. As lanterns glow and fireflies drift, summer begins to fade. Autumn will soon begin with its crisp mornings, golden leaves, and the promise of new stories yet to unfold. The end.
In Raindrop Hollow, there's always another story waiting, just beyond the next bend. Subscribe so you don't miss a story. If you'd like to bring a piece of the Hollow into your own home, visit our Etsy shop sjbprints.ca.etsy.com. We hope to see you soon in Raindrop Hollow.